AiLao Mountain National Nature Reserve is located in Xinping County, YuXi City, in the central part of YunNan Province, China. In the autumn of 2021, we set off early in the morning from the urban area of YuXi City and drove 200 kilometers to reach the reserve. The main objective of this trip was to hike through ShiMen Gorge, followed by camping at the mountaintop to witness the sunrise. YunNan Waterfall is situated alongside the road leading to the scenic area. The waterfall has a drop of 100 meters, and the roaring sound of water flowing down from the mountaintop creates an awe-inspiring sight. After visiting YunNan Waterfall, we ascended along the mountain road and entered the ShiMen Gorge area. ShiMen Gorge is a clear stream flowing from the depths of AiLao Mountain, cutting through a nearly 2-kilometer-long, one-line sky rock formation. The stream is crystal clear, surrounded by dense vegetation, and the air is fresh, like a natural oxygen bar, providing a refreshing and delightful experience. Due to the humid air, the tree trunks and rocks are covered in moss, creating an environment reminiscent of a picturesque fairyland. After exploring ShiMen Gorge, we drove up the mountain and reached the YunHai sunrise viewing platform, where we camped nearby. Being far away from the hustle and bustle of the city, the night sky here is exceptionally brilliant with stars. In the morning, accompanied by the rosy dawn, the sun slowly rose from the horizon, creating a magnificent and awe-inspiring sight. I couldn't resist flying my drone again to capture the beauty of the sunrise and the sea of clouds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to this channel.